Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download timer resolution on Fortnite. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to go to your browser and write down timer resolution and choose the first option, .com. After you have chosen the first option, you will see it here, and this is how it should look like. So basically it significantly improves FPS. You can just go ahead and look for the key features: precision, time control, enhanced gaming performance, compatibility, and lightweight. So you're gonna click download and then download here again and save it to your PC. After you've done that, for example, I have it here on my desktop, I'm gonna go ahead and extract it. And I'm gonna extract it all on my desktop too. So here it is now. All you have to do now is just double click on it. And now it will show you this, and now you just have to click maximum and it will change. Now you don't want to close it, you want to leave it running all the time. Just minimize it and then just go ahead and launch the Fortnite. And just go and see if that fixed your FPS. It should significantly improve it. Just make sure that it's still running in the background. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.